Hey guys, Metal and Spiff back again. Oops, I did not mean to turn that on. That's what I get for, my favorite pull-out cord. Let's see if that additional light makes a difference in the video. I can't tell, I got distracted by the computer making a thing. All kinds of stuff's going crazy in this video. Anyhow, this is a polished brass Constellation? Did we say that's what this is?
Yeah.
I feel like there were two different names that they used this motor with. One of them was the Constellation, one of them was something else. And it comes with the forearm fitter that's not the short arms, and it has the California Zephyr switch cap and many other great things, and it's Comfort Touch. Which when I was a kid, I wanted this so badly. A thermostatically controlled fan, that just seemed like the coolest thing in the world. So, in any case, I don't want it anymore. So this fan is for sale. What'd you say?
Yeah, that's a match.
That's a Constellation? Oh,
Yep,
you looked it up. So, yeah, if I don't... Yeah, I'm going to be purging a lot of stuff in September, October, and in fall and winter. So this is one thing that if I don't get a buyer for it soon, I will part it out. But in the meantime, yeah. So, you want to do the remote?
Sure.
Here, put it in the video. Put it in the camera when you have it so people can see.
Oh, yes. Okay, here's the Comfort Touch.
Right, so show us the light. Okay.
And that's drying just over 1 amp.
How many watts is that? Let's figure out what wattage bulbs those are.
And 122.
So it's 260 watt bulbs.
Yeah. Power factor of 1.
Well, yeah, like incandescent bulbs would. Okay, well that's enough with the light. Or you can dim it if you want to. Sure, why not?
Yep.
It's interesting that it didn't show much difference until you got to the bottom.
That's as low as it goes.
Okay. Not turning off? Yeah, I don't know Comfort Touch. I think maybe you gotta wait. Like push it. Yeah, it's going off on its own.
Interesting.
Nope. Now it's just dim. There you go. Okay, let's see fan speed 1. Oh, the light came on.
Okay, lights off.
You can go ahead and show it in the...
Yep, lights off.
Interesting. It's now 77 in here.
Yep. I think this may be the temperature that it's set.
Oh, I thought that was the... Oh, so 77 is what it's set to.
Yeah.
And 75 is what it is in here.
Yeah. So it's drawing 0.14 amps. So close to 18 watts. And still a power factor of 1 on low. So you got the arrows to go up and down. So
Yep.
here's speed 2. Just like IntelliTouch, it gives it an initial high-speed boost to go right to the desired speed to accelerate the fan, and it's drawing 0.23 amps. So more functional low right here.
Yeah.
I know it's going to be a power factor of 1 throughout. With IntelliTouch, they usually are. See,
That's because they use resistors and not capacitors for the different speeds.
Yeah, okay.
A resistive load is usually a straight power factor. I wish that I loved a particular Comfort Touch Casablanca because I like the control a lot. I think it's a really cool control with the thermostat and the different features. And I've always thought of converting my bedroom fan to be a Comfort Touch fan, but it's really kind of silly because we never even use the remote. We do everything by Alexa, so it'd be pointless. But
And then speed 4. drawing. So we're getting a medium speed right here. Speed 5. That's going to be like a backed off high because we got speed 6. Still the same current.
That's high.
Yep.
And obviously it's a K55 Casablanca. We know what these do.
Yep, and the current draw is basically,
Yeah.
ideally, what a K55 is.
Yeah.
Alright. Let's see if I can do spin down.
Hit it again. Try to hit it and hold it. Let go. Let me see. I got it to do before. I wonder what I did. It must have one of the programs must be on or something, but it doesn't say that. That should be off. It just turned off. But it didn't turn off on there. There we go. I think you just gotta have it pointed at the fan. I don't know.
Oh, okay.
I did the same thing I've been doing, but I just pointed it at the fan. So I don't know what the dealio is there, but we know it works. You want to try any of the programs on there? I don't know if there's any of them we could show, like a demo mode or anything like that.
There is a test. First, what I'm going to do, after it's done spinning down, you can reverse it, though.
Oh, yeah. Let's do that first. I forgot that we could reverse
this one has reverse.
Let's show you how long it's been since we've been doing fan videos. I forgot what reverse is.
Yep. Still spinning down. That's...
Yeah, bearings are good. What you looking at, your medalist?
Oh, there's a Turbo Zephyr?
Yeah, we tested that before.
Oh, yeah, okay.
It's for sale, and hopefully somebody buys it. That'd be one I'd hate to scrap or part out. I paid a lot for it, too. It's one I bought for, you know. Okay, let's do reverse.
Okay.
Is it reversing?
Yeah.
Yep, I heard the click.
Same current draw.
Yeah.
On low.
As the Lord intended.
Yep. Okay. Same current draw. This is speed 2. Speed 3. Speed 4. Speed 5. Speed 6.
We're not at 6 yet, I don't think.
Yeah, we are.
Not according to the amp meter.
Nope, it's...
Try again. There you go.
All right. It's not going to be an inrush. I just reversed it back.
Gotcha. Was that test mode?
No.
Okay. We should have measured that Emperor. I don't know what size to say it is.
I did test mode just now.
Okay, the light came on. And it's beeping. It's going through all the light levels and all the speeds.
Going back down on the light. And it just went up. Okay. Yeah, you get the idea. There's a demo mode.
Anything else in there you want to show?
No, that's all I can do with this.
What other show them what other buttons are in there, just so. There's auto, which is
like creating a program.
I think that changes based on the temperature.
Yep.
Security, which turns the light on and off based on like just random, so in case you're not home, the light goes on and off on its own. I don't remember what saver or winter do.
Oh, saver, turn lights off after an hour.
Oh.
Winter, draft-free heat recirculation.
Interesting. Hit winter. Let's see what it does. Reverses and speed 1. I wonder if it changes speeds or if it's just like a shortcut to speed 1 in reverse.
I think it's just going on low reverse.
Maybe. But it might change over time. I don't know. Okay, well, we've shown everything we can show. And again, this is for sale, so rescue it from being parted out. Anything else you want to say, Metal Pete?
No.
Well, we got plenty more fans to test, and Metal Pete's going to pick what we test next. So, as always, thanks for watching.
Okay.